Hello everybody and welcome to KEE'S and the fam. And today guys, I am making a pot of spaghetti. Simple spaghetti. Okay, so we have a half a bell pepper and a very small onion. We have some ground beef. We have our spaghetti. Of course we have our Lipton onion mix. We have our ragu sauce, our minced garlic, black pepper, onion, and garlic powder. So we're going to go over to the stove. Okay guys, we are adding our ground beef. Okay. And this ground beef, still a little froze, but we're adding our ground beef. And to the ground beef, we are adding our bell peppers and our onions. We're going to let everything cook together. Okay. Y'all with me so far? Mm-hmm. You with me, Key?
Yup.
Okay.
Hey, everybody.
Here's my camera woman. She is ready and excited to learn how to cook. So while we have her attention, guys, we're gonna teach this young lady how to cook.
I'm more excited about the mushrooms.
Oh wow. And we're gonna add in our garlic. I don't like Italian seasoning, so you don't see me. I don't use it a lot. I don't like the flavor. We're adding in our onion powder. We're adding in our garlic powder. And of course, you cannot cook spaghetti without your black pepper. So we're adding in the black pepper. We're going to let all this good seasoning just get into this ground beef. And it's going to taste good. And we're going to bring you guys back once this ground beef browns. Okay guys, so we have our spaghetti. Well, the water for the spaghetti, we have that boiling. And we're going to break this spaghetti in. And the meat. You do not like when I pop. Why you don't like this? You don't like that sound?
No, I just was scared that like a little dizz gonna fly in my face.
Oh no. Yeah. Okay, so we have our spaghetti in the pot and it's gonna boil for 10 to 12 minutes. And we have the meat. It has browned, guys. And so we're going to drain the oil out of this, and then we're going to add, remember we have our Lipton onion mix. We're going to drain this, and then we're going to pour our Lipton onion mix in this, and then we're going to let our sauce simmer until our noodles are done. Okay guys, so as you can see, my ground beef has browned. I'm putting in my Lipton onion mix. That was the entire packet. And now I'm getting ready to pour in my ragu sauce. And we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes because my husband just informed me he wants me to put this spaghetti in the oven. So that means we got to add our cheese and all of that. So we're going to let this simmer together with the Lipton onion mix. So I'm getting ready to drain my spaghetti noodles. And I will bring you guys back once I get ready to put this in the oven. Okay guys, so we allowed the spaghetti sauce and the ground beef to simmer for 10 minutes. And now we're going to add in our spaghetti noodles. And we're going to stir this around. Make sure that we don't put too many noodles in and it's not enough sauce, so we're just mixing this in. And my husband just informed me he wants baked spaghetti. So he's spoiled, y'all. He is very spoiled. And then, of course, Key was like, yeah, baked spaghetti. So we're making baked spaghetti. Okay, that should be enough noodles. And we're going to now mix this in. This smells so good. Okay. So what we're getting ready to do now, guys, I'm just going to sprinkle it on the top and bake it. I know I probably will put a little bit on the inside. So we're using the Colby and Monterey Jack. So are you guys looking forward to the holiday? You look forward to the holiday, Cam?
Yes, ma'am.
He don't sound convincing, but okay. So I think I am going to put it throughout. I'll mix this up a little bit. And this one bag better be enough because I'm not opening up no more cheese. Do you know y'all addicted to cheese?
Yeah, man, cheese makes everything taste better. I tried cheese on my cereal this morning.
You are lying.
Not, man.
I'm gonna tell y'all something. Ever since I showed them how to make pizza, man, they've been up late night making pizza. So that's where a lot of my cheese is too.
Yep.
Okay, so we're getting ready to put the cheese on the top. Slide this in the oven. Okay, so now we're getting ready to put a little parsley flakes on top of this. And guys, we're getting ready to put this in the oven and I will bring you guys back. Okay guys, I am back. My spaghetti has been cooking for 25 minutes. I added a little mozzarella around the edges of it. But this is my baked spaghetti and it smells delicious. So guys, I need you to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to go and check out the Epic Empire. You guys, look in the description box and go and check out the Epic Empire and let them know that Cam and the fam sent you guys. So we'll see you in the next video. And as always, I love you guys and I appreciate so much of you all watching and giving me your honest feedback. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.